As an aviation student, the ability to run X-Plane 11 on my MacBook Pro was my main concern. And looking around the internet, I couldn't find any real benchmark between the 5300M and the 5500M. So this test will be conducted between the base model i7 5300M versus the upgraded base model, which is the i9 5500M. Here's the first test using the X-Plane 11 built-in benchmark. As you can see in the extreme setting, it is unusable at any resolution. On the high setting, the 5500M do about 15% better as far as frame rate goes. At 42 frames per second, it is completely playable with the 5300M. Reducing the benchmark setting down to medium, the 5300M was able to push out 48 frames per second at the MacBook Pro full native resolutions. Alright, so here's behind the scene of this really scientific test. I got my A7 here, volumes on manual at 10 to that microphone, and the laptop is sitting roughly, what would you say that, 19 inches? No, yeah, 19 inches. And I gotta mark it down like that, so everything is in the same spot. The silver one is the i7 5300. The gray one is the i9 5500 4GB. Alright, it just booted up. This is the i9 5500M 4GB, full resolution at the extreme benchmark setting. It is showing 15 FPS-ish. Just past Seattle Tower, and it's running at a roughly 14 FPS. Alright, this is the i7, same exact test, highest resolution at extreme setting. We ran a test earlier with the medium setting, it turned out fine, so let's see what we can do at extreme. Just came in. I just let some fresh air in because the door was closed. Give them a fair shot here. Oh man, it is really sluggish. I don't even know what it's getting. It is showing 14, surprisingly. The I now also show 14. The fan might kick in earlier though. Nope, it showed 12, 13 now. Interesting, kicking about the same place. And it's at 13 to 14 frames per second. Did not perform any worse. The i7 5300M is good enough for me. It should provide a playable experience with more than 30 frames per second consistently on 2048 by 1280 with medium settings. I mostly use X-Plane for procedure practice as I do fly in real life. The physics and graphics is much better in real life.